your daddy.
Truman Talks Law on Great Day Live is sponsored by the Karl Truman Law Office.
Eating, drinking, chatting on the phone, putting on makeup. I don't do that often. Completely harmless activities unless you're doing them while driving. When you're distracted, you put yourself and other drivers, everyone actually, at risk. Attorney Karl Truman joins me. He sees the results of distracted driving every day. It's good to see you again.
Morning, Terry.
You got a little tan on you. Been on vacation?
Welcome
back
to get a
from
little
the
sun
holidays.
from the weather.
Let me tell you what happened this morning. I'm driving here. There's a line of cars, and we're waiting, and then there's somebody back here. The other cars go, and there's somebody back here who's, I don't know if they're just, but whatever. It's creating mayhem for all kinds of people. That's what we're going to talk about today, too, is dangers in the car.
Exactly, and distracted driving, which the most common form of distracted driving is, of course, a cell phone or a mobile device, but it could be many things, as you pointed out. Could be putting on makeup, could be eating a sandwich, talking to passengers. You know, if you've even thinking about when if you've ever been in a situation where you're driving to work and suddenly you miss your exit because you're thinking about what you have to do for that day. All these things are distracted driving. And one of the things that statistics that people don't realize, we always think about drinking and driving, and a drunk driver is 7 times more likely to be in an automobile collision than a non-drinking driver, but a distracted driver is 23 times more likely to be involved in a collision.
Wow. And we saw that screen on the screen a second ago, too, things like messing with the GPS. Oh, we're trying to find that lady's house, and people don't realize, get off the road and take care of those kinds of things, because you can create all sorts of issues here.
Exactly. I've had cases where, someone caused a collision by, fooling with their GPS while they're trying to drive. And so there's a lot of things that you really have to be aware of to think about, your safety. Everyone wants to think that, well, I can do it, I'm more aware, but if you do it, then it's wrong. But I can do it because I'm faster.
Here are types of distracted driving. Texting while driving obviously involves all 3 of these. Pulls your eyes off the road. Your hands obviously are occupied, and your mind, as you noted, goes drifting away, and you're not paying attention to what you're doing, and creates all sorts of issues. Are you talking to young people and civic groups about these issues now?
Absolutely. I just recently did a presentation at a local high school, so if there are civic groups, whether it's a local civic organization or high school that would like a presentation on distracted driving, I'm available to do that. Just call my office and we can schedule that.
The important thing, obviously, is in parenting and training, but adults do this too. I mean, grown-up people mess up here too. It's important that people retrain themselves.
Absolutely, and some things like this too, the kids become more aware of this, and they're the ones calling us out on it.
Right. And I do see it. I see people of all ages messing up in this context too. Obviously, if you have legal issue questions, call Karl's office, and if you need him for public speaking, you're happy to do that for
groups?
we
have a presentation that I come out and do to groups and schools and things, so more than happy to schedule that.
All right, most excellent. Great to see you again,
right,
Karl.
thank you.
Karl Truman, available to speak to schools about distracted driving or civic groups. Call that number to learn more. It's 502 and then all twos, 222-2222. He's online at trumanlaw.com.
This week at Sleep Outfitters, get a free HD TV with purchase of select mattress sets, including Sealy Pillow Top Queen sets with gel foam. On sale now for just $4.99. Go to sleepoutfitters.com for store locations and hours.
There's never been a better time to try Time Warner Cable. With HD content you love to watch virtually anytime, anywhere. Ultra-fast internet at the speed you need. And unlimited nationwide calling. All together for the first time for $89.99 a month. Plus, enjoy big Hollywood blockbusters from Epix. Now with free installation and TV equipment included. That's a savings of over $900. Try it, love it, or your money back
They get out and start
guaranteed.
filming it, and there's nobody.
Time Warner Cable. Enjoy better.
One size does not fit all. Whether you're sick or need an annual wellness checkup, you need options when it comes to your health care. And that's exactly what you get from Kentucky One Health. More primary care options. So you can get in, get out, and get back to life. Visit ChooseYourDoor.org. Kentucky One Health. The one name in healthcare. with dynamic performance, the most advanced technology and safety features available.
What part are we at?
Charging. Toyota Camry.
Okay, let's just go from the top.
Bold
I can hear the bells.
financing process. $7,000 cash, or lease this Camry SE for $189 a month. Toyota, let's go places.
This week at Sleep Outfitters, buy any Tempur-Pedic mattress set and get a free HD TV. Yes, a free TV.
See Daryl
as
treat him
well.
like
Free
his son.
delivery,
Oh,
0% financing,
I mean,
and
that sounds
adjustable
great.
base upgrades now through Monday at Sleep Outfitters.
We appreciate you watching us today, and we're going to. Oh, I want to say hi to the Murphys who live across. They watch every day. They hollered at me this morning.
Hello, Murphys.
We're going to send you out with one more unhindered and ungendered Broadway song.
And details on their show online at kentuckycenter.org. Have a great day.
I can hear the bells. Well, don't you hear 'em chime? Can't you feel my heartbeat keeping perfect time? And all because he touched me. He looked at me and stared. Yes, he bumped me. My heart was unprepared when he tapped me and knocked me off my feet. One little touch, now my life's complete. 'Cause I can hear the bells. My head is spinning. I can hear the bells. Something's beginning. Everybody says that he won't like what he'll see, but I know that he'll look inside of me. Yeah, I can hear the bells. Just hear them chiming. I can hear the bells. My temperature's climbing. I can't contain my joy, 'cause I finally found the boy I've been missing. Listen, I can hear the bells. I can hear the bells. My head is reeling. I can hear the bells. I can't stop the pealing. Everybody says that a boy who looks like me can't win his love. Well, just wait and see, 'cause I can hear the bells. Today's just the start, 'cause I can hear the bells until death do us part. And even when we die, we'll look down from up above, remembering the night that we two fell in love. We both will share a tear, and he'll whisper as we're reminiscing. Listen, I can hear the bells. I can hear the bells. I can hear the bells.
I'm trying to think of what. All right, what one was that in? That one. What show? Okay, I should have known that one. Yeah. That was a good one. Thank you guys very much. Really, it was nice meeting you.
I can hear the bells. Da 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 da.